Hey there, sunshine! It is the holiday season. It is the glitteriest and glammest and most beautiful time of the year. I just love how everything looks so freaking beautiful when it gets near Christmas. And I know that it's not Christmas and I know that it's still November, but I am starting to do so many Christmas activities and it just makes me so excited. Here in my hands today, I have two Boxycharm boxes. So a little while ago, like I think it was last month, Boxycharm was like, hey, guess what? We're rolling out a bigger, better box. In it, you'll have like $300 worth of stuff. I'm so bad at reviews. I honestly don't remember the price difference. I think this is like closer to $25 and this is the regular Boxycharm box. And then this is like the Boxycharm Ultimate. And it's supposed to have, I think it's $35 a month. But I could be wrong. Probably am, usually am. So in it, it's supposed to have like over $300 worth of stuff, whereas this one has like $125 worth of stuff in it. But if you have never seen any of my other Boxycharm reviews, I loved Boxycharm at one point. I was like Boxycharm's #1 fan. I was like, yes, the best subscription in the entire world. Boom. And then they introduced BoxyLux last December and Boxycharm's been going downhill ever since. Then like 2 months ago, Ipsy was like, hey, guess what? And we're now offering Ipsy Plus, and Ipsy Ultimate, and there's 3 different price ranges for each. And then the month after, Boxycharm was like, we're gonna do the same thing. So here in my hands today, I have the the one new Boxycharm for November, 2 new boxes because I haven't looked at these before. Do I have high hopes? Yes, I always do. I'm so naive. But let's get started. I think I'm gonna start with the bigger box because in my mind, bigger is always better. There has to be something like really exciting in here, right? Okay, so again, no idea the theme. I used to cheat every month. Every month I'd be like, ooh, what's inside of Boxycharm? Gotta look on Instagram. And now I'm kind of just like at the point where I'm like not doing that. I've gotten so good with not cheating. Okay, so I see a really pretty card right here. Ooh, okay, so it says Stellar. And then inside the card we'll have everything that's inside of this box. So let's take a look at how empty it is. Yes, look how empty. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, let's get started. Okay, this kind of looks like ice cream to me, so I'm grabbing it first. What is this? This is the Kopari Coconut Rose Toner. Refresh and balance. Okay, let's see what this is about. Oh, that's a cute little bottle. Cute little moment. Looks like a little ice cream sundae with the pink and the, I don't know why. It does look like one. Let's see what it smells like. This is a toner, so it's not actually a setting spray. So I'm just going to spray out here. I usually am not a huge fan. I don't like floral scents. I don't like rose, but this smells more like coconut than it does rose. So I'm not mad at it. Okay. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this QMS Intensive Eye Care. Okay. I appreciate skincare and I love that everything in Boxycharm is full sized. So I'm not mad at that. I'm just hoping there's some more exciting things because this box, like I'm already touching the bottom. Okay. Oh, I've got brushes. Oh, okay. There we go. Now we're getting in action. Okay. I've got like 4 or 5 brushes in here. Oh, they are so fun looking. I've never seen a brush like this. They're really freaking soft too. What? I was not expecting that. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes. And here's what they all look like. Hello, can we like not over brighten, please? Thank you. This looks like I would use this for foundation and this one for contour. Concealer, maybe some highlighter moment with this one. And then this just looks like a blending brush. And they all have the Boxycharm name on them. So that's cool. I didn't know Boxycharm is making products now. Maybe we'll start seeing more of that in future boxes. Okay, guess what, guys? There are a whopping 3 more items in this box. Okay. Wait, how many does that make it? Because I never know. Like, do you count the brushes individually and be like, yes, I just got 5 items on my Boxycharm plus another 5? Or do you go, no, the 5 brushes in there is 1. And then we have 1, 2, 3 with the brushes, 4, 5, 6 items in there. I don't know what to do. What do you think? I guess we'll have to see when we pick up the card. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Dragon Beauty. This is a Dragonfire Skin Perfecting Potion. Shake well before using. I don't know what this is. Is it a concealer? I think this might be a concealer, but I don't have any blue on my face. I think that's what you correct. Like, I don't have any, like, I really have, I guess, okay, wait, I do, because I have purple. I can put that under my eyes to, like, I guess, brighten or cancel out darkness. I don't know. My concealers, my dark circles aren't that bad, so I feel like my concealers do this. So I'm not exactly sure what this is for, but I do think that this holographic is really, really fun. But here's what the applicator looks like. I mean, if it doesn't work as a concealer, maybe it'll dry down a little bit and I can use it as a base underneath of some orange eyeshadows. Or maybe I could use it as a fun lip color. I'm not really sure what to do with this right now, but I guess maybe the card will provide us with a little bit more information. Oh, okay, we've got this Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow Palette. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I'm so excited to open this up. I've heard so many things. I've heard like this brand is really expensive. I don't know. I've never, like, I haven't really had too much exposure to this brand, so I'm not 100% sure, but ooh, look at that highlighter. Yes. Okay, and then there's this little like trap door to like, here, let me do this so you guys can see a little bit better because the ring light is like really glowy. There we go. Now you can see. So there's a little door on top of the blush. Pop that open. Here's what the palette looks like. So this is Glow Cream Base. This right here is a cream blush. This is a Glow Extreme, and this is a Duo Glow. So I think that is absolutely beautiful. Not the eyeshadow palette that we normally get. However, if you're not somebody who uses eyeshadow a lot, I do appreciate that they're switching things up. And then the last thing that I'm pulling out of my Boxycharm Ultimate Plus, I don't remember the name of it because I'm a horrible reviewer, is this Becca Glow Gloss. It's the best thing ever. Oh my god, I love this lip gloss. I have one already. I think I got one in Boxycharm like last December. Yeah, I think so. But so I still have it, but I love this lip gloss and I don't go to the mall enough or order online enough from Sephora to ever remember to get more of this. But yes, this lip gloss is absolutely beautiful. It's really like, it's got that subtle glitter. So it's like, yes, I'm wearing lip gloss, but no, I'm not drowning in glitter gloss. If you aren't somebody who likes doing that. I personally always want more glitter and glam. But if you are somebody who does that, I really appreciate how Boxycharm offers versatility to their products because not everybody is a beauty influencer. Not everybody is into the full glitz and glam. I wear bright colors every day. So I feel like this box definitely, like this box right here, offers options to those people. Let's take a second to look at the products that I received inside of this Boxycharm. So I got the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush Palette. It's a retail value of $55. The QMS Medi Cosmetics Intensive Eye Care has a retail value of $150. Oh my god, why would somebody pay that much for skincare? What? Like, I feel like you could go to the spa and get like a nice treatment to like fix whatever you're upset about your eyes with for that much money. That's crazy. Kopari Coconut Rose Toner has a retail value of $25. The Dragon Beauty Skin Perfecting Potion has a retail value of $25. It says that it's supposed to help conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Okay, I appreciate that. Boxycharm has never sent anything out like that ever. And I did receive an email like before I received these boxes if I'd be interested in trying out like foundations and concealers like this stuff in my box. And then they like helped me color match. So I really appreciate that. That's definitely something really different that no other subscription box on the market is offering. The 5-piece brush set has a retail value of $65 and the Becca Glow Gloss has a retail value of $22. Okay, so here is the tea. Let's see if the other box that I received is something completely different or if it's kind of like the same vibe and same product kind of like being recycled in all the boxes. That's what I'm interested in learning. Okay, so here is just the regular plain Jane Boxycharm box. So far, I don't have a card, so I have no idea. But no, we don't have the same products in here, guys. This is exciting. Okay, Boxycharm, you're making great steps. I'm so proud of you. Okay, the first thing that I'm pulling out, Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in Date Night. Ooh, it looks like a pretty red. Honestly, I'm here for reds. I was wearing red this morning. I was doing a photo shoot. I was wearing bright red this morning, and then I just piled a nude over top, and I got this like really pretty color. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, look how beautiful this is. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited to try this out. Oh my goodness. Okay. The next thing that I'm pulling out are these Starry Eyes Indulgent Self-Warming Eye Mask. Warms in 30 seconds. This sounds like luxury right here. First off, the packaging is so adorable. I love this. Like if I could have this tattooed on my body. in a, like, not a permanent tattoo, but like a temporary tattoo, I would, because the packaging is so, so cute. Plus the idea of a self-forming eye mask, like, if just talking about, I'm going to say it out loud again, self-forming eye mask, it just makes me want to like fall asleep. That sounds so relaxing. Okay. Oh girl, I got some tea for you. So I got this Juice Beauty Organic Solution Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment in my Ipsy Ultimate box this month. Like, I literally just received the same exact product last week. So, Christmas presents! Yes! That's what I do. Anything I don't want, I'm like, Christmas presents, or I donate, or I have a family member's like, oh, I'm in the market for like this kind of lipstick or this kind of eyeshadow palette. And I'm like, oh, if I get it, it makes a great little surprise, you know, a little pick-me-up for your friends and family. Okay, so, oh my God. Okay, hold on. I'm like getting ready to wiggle out of my chair because I'm so freaking excited. Good. Okay, look at this. For Solly. Boxycharm sis. Yes, honestly, the cheaper box is way better in my opinion. Like, I'm so much more excited with the cheaper box than I am with the more expensive box. This is the Rose Gold Skin Mist, 24 karat gold infused to hydrate, prime, and set. I am so bougie. Oh my God, I'm gonna walk down the street and everyone's gonna know I'm wearing this like gorgeous product. Yes, okay, hold on. Let's take a moment. Let's all like pause and just enjoy. Oh, okay, it does not taste good. Do not eat this. Would not recommend. But it smells like fun. It smells like the beach kind of, but it also doesn't. It smells like a spicy with like a little bit of like ocean air. My sense of smell sucks. So don't trust anything I say when it comes to sense of smell. But, ooh, I feel like I have this beautiful glow. Oh my God. And then the last thing that I'm pulling out of this month's amazing Boxycharm box is this Celestial Thunder. I would name my child that. That sounds like such an amazing name. Oh my gosh, if I ever have a kid, Celestial Thunder from Dominique Cosmetics. Ooh, okay. Yes, I live for this. Oh my God, like you have this row right here, daytime appropriate, beautiful smoky eye, and then you can add some flare in with that bottom row. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so let's take a quick moment to look at the card. We have the same theme, Stellar. I feel like this box, the smaller box, the cheaper box, fit in so much better with that theme than the other box. Like, I have no idea what was stellar about the big box. I don't know. I'm not impressed at all with the big box. So we have the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette has retail value of $35. The Juice Beauty Anti-Wrinkle Treatment has retail value of $50. The Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick has retail value of $18. The Starry Eyes Pop Mask Set of 2 has retail value of $10. Oh my God, it's affordable. I can't wait to buy more of those. If they work, I have no idea. And then the Forsali Rose Gold 24 karat Skin Mist has a retail value of $39. I can't tell you how happy I am with the other box. Like the big box, honestly, was very disappointing. The only thing in there that I honestly really am excited about is this and the Becca Gloss. But yes, this bottom box totally has my heart won over. So what do you think was the better box? Do you think the bigger box or the smaller box is superior? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.